Hello, today I'm making chocolate fudge brownies by Pillsbury. So I'm going to dump this into the mixing bowl. This is brownie mix. Set this over to the side because I need it for baking.
Girl, I was looking forward.
I'm on camera. Have a look.
Scratch that.
No, you're gonna have to come on and on.
No.
Get out of there.
Scratch it. Oh, girl. You cooked.
I'm standing there and laugh. Silly. No, hush.
Edit it out.
I'm doing my video.
No, edit it out.
What are you eating in the middle of my video?
Okay, well.
Play it in the dark.
You make me sad. You make me sad.
Shh.
You make me sad.
Okay.
If you edit it out, I'll leave.
You can stand there all you want to, have a seat, do something, and be quiet. I'm making. So I'm cracking the eggs. This is taking quite a while to crack this egg. It didn't want to crack. Okay, so now we cracked one egg. Eggs are good. Let's see. 2 eggs. Okay. Um, 2/3 cup of oil. This is vegetable oil I'm using. 2/3 cup of it. So I'm gonna dump that into there with the 2 eggs. Are you in the mood for brownies, Hal?
Yes.
All right. 1/4 cup of water. So I'm gonna put some water in here. So dump that like that, and then you whip it up like this. Until it's all beat up, everything mixed up. Beat that up like that. If you mix it in with the mix, like the eggs, the oil and the water, you just put it on top of the mix right here. You put it on top of this mix, it will be harder to stir, harder to mix it all together with the mix. So I beat this first and pour it on top of the mix. That way it's easier to do that. So now I'm gonna mix this together. It should take about 5 minutes.
Use a bigger spoon.
Huh?
Use a bigger spoon.
I don't want to. This is what I use. It works for me. It gets every little mixed together. You can also use an electric mixer, but I prefer to use this because that is not my mixer. That is my brother's mixer, and I don't have the instructions on how to work his mixer. So
It's not hard. I've done it.
yeah.
Sometimes with permission, sometimes without permission. Like one time, I made cupcakes. But Uncle wasn't here.
You made a cupcake when he wasn't here. Who was you making with?
Jasmine.
Really? Where was I at?
I don't know. We were doing stuff. You know, you really sitting on the couch.
Oh.
Doing you stuff.
Come here, baby. Come here. This is my daughter, Havila. My daughter, Havila. So she's sitting here talking with me while I make the brownies.
Hi. Yes. Is that what you wanted me to do?
Yeah, that's all.
Dude, I had to wear this to bed because I couldn't find my headscarf last night.
Oh, yeah?
I had to wear a pillowcase with a rubber band on my head.
Okay. So did you look cute?
No.
No.
But it doesn't matter because you're sleeping. You're not going to a class.
Okay, and so now we're gonna oil this pan and get ready to put this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Wait, actually. 350 for 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. So I'm gonna oil this pan. Just pour a little in it, cover the sides and stuff in the bottom. Oil. All right. Then we're going to pour this into the pan evenly. It'll settle if you pour it in there and let it settle. Brownie mix. Fudge brownie mix. Yeah, I was thinking about the bakery this morning. I said I can make my own. Because I bought some Pillsbury and some Dunkin' Hines and stuff like that. Y'all think about the bakery. Instead of going to the bakery, I'll just make my own. But I did have some cake from last weekend.
I forgot to try it. Oops.
You didn't want it?
No, I don't like yellow cake that much. I love chocolate though. I'm gonna destroy it.
Okay. Okay, so that's in there. So you don't put anything on top of these brownies. When they're finished baking, you just eat the brownies the way they are. It's like has a frosting of its own on there, so you can use that and eat that. So this is what it looks like. And so I'm going to put this in the oven. I'm going to show you what it looks like when you put it in the oven, and then you're all set. And I'm going to take some pictures and put them on my social media. Kristen Smith, your social media. So I'm going to put the picture of the finished brownies on my social media. On Facebook.
They probably don't want to spell your name.
CHRISTEN Smith, SMITH. So you can look me up on Facebook and see the finished product. I'm waiting for the oven to warm up. Actually, I'm just going to put it in here like this. And show you how it looks in the oven. Yep, you close it and it looks like that. You can check the brownies. You look at it like that. Yep. Thanks for watching my brownie prep. I'll talk to you later. Bye.